Lunchtime in Yokohama Chinatown. Pretty busy. A lot of locals and tourists as well. Just out for a bite to eat. Some business people working in the area, then also going out for a bite to eat. All kinds of food. In Yokohama Chinatown, it seems popular to get this piece of chicken, fried chicken. They also have egg tarts, pineapple tarts, all kinds of goodies. Bunch of schoolgirls having their snacks, street snacks. Enjoying it. A lot of school trips around here in Yokohama Chinatown. And Yanto is buying something to munch on. He's gonna buy a tart. Maybe. What do you buy?
This and this.
This one and that one. Open.
Thank you. Thank you.
Stand over here is what she's saying. Get out of the way. More customers. Wait at this window. So, what did you order? This and this? Was it egg tart?
Egg tart.
And then,
Balls.
what's in the ball?
Red bean.
Red bean. So here's the fried chicken. I think Yanto's order went across to the bakery, which is just across the way over there. And now she got all the bakery in. All these little goodies. Stacking them up. Okay, there's Yanto's sesame-covered rice ball and egg tart. That's all. Looking good. Wow. Looks good.